And then tell us one strategy on being successful in real estate investing.
I think diversification is one thing, so if the housing market kind of tanks, then maybe perhaps the multi-residential market may be going good, or the storage units. When people had the our recession before, the storage units were packed because people lost their homes. They had to put things in homes, they had to downsize. So they had everything going in storage, and as well as they moved to apartments or smaller dwellings. So diversification, have a little here, a little there, a little there. So again, until you learn which one you really, really want to sink all your teeth into, but also just to have diversification so that you kind of offset some of the risks. There's
Nice.
notes, there's all kinds of things to get involved in.
Yeah.